Welcome, my friends, to the first episode of the Creative Character Series, a series where we discover hidden characters in everyday objects and shapes. Today, this is the shape that will inspire our characters. Now let's test your creativity. Let me start off by showing you a time-lapse of the character that I saw in this specific shape and tell you a little bit more about the origins of this entire series. It all started with my favorite exercise from a course I did with Isaac Jadrak, I hope I'm saying that correct, on 21 Draw, which I did a while back. It sparked my imagination to another level. I've always been a very observant person, but this felt like somebody finally gave an official term to what I was constantly doing, namely seeing faces and characters in random objects. He called it pareidoia. I also hope I'm saying that correctly. If you're looking for a super chill and inspiring course, I highly recommend checking out his work on 21 Draw. I'll leave the link in the description below. After completing his course, I continued to discover loads of random shapes and houses, trees, tools, and so many other objects that were sparking my imagination. These inspirations led me to create a bunch of shorts where I challenged you to test your imagination and tell me in the comments what characters you saw. The response to those videos was so magical and overwhelming, especially for my relatively small channel. It sparked so much joy and creativity. Sometime after those videos were live, I unfortunately had to take them down due to music licensing limitations. You can check the video in the cards for more context, which is why I'm converting all of these videos into long-form YouTube videos and adding more context and content. All that joy and creativity got me thinking. I've been accumulating so many fun, inspiring shapes that I decided to create what I call a character design kit so that also you can create unique and dimensional characters and test your creativity in your own time at home. I'm working on these theme-based kits, but right now I have a free sample character design kit available on my website. It's totally no strings attached, it's just a small taste of what's to come. This free sample contains 4 different inspiration options, from a basic silhouette to detailed outlines and even 3 deconstruction layers. The deconstruction layer is the real secret sauce. If you ever get stuck discovering characters, with this layer I show you with simple lines how to break down the object, helping you play with dimensions and proportions to create something truly unique. Go to my website, the link is in the description, to download it now and try to figure out new characters hidden in that specific shape. But if you want to help me make the full kit exactly what you need, I need your help on my brand new Discord server. I've posted the free sample there too, and I want your feedback to help shape the upcoming kits. Join the community, try out the sample, and let me know the following. Which of the outlines sparks your imagination more? Which of the deconstruction style is more visually inspiring for generating a character? And what is your file preference? Do you prefer PNGs and JPEGs that are universally available, or better in a PSD, Clip Studio Paint, or Procreate format so that you can go straight into your favorite software and edit the files there? I hope you helped me build these kits. Make sure to check out the links in the descriptions for both the download link and the Discord invite. I'll see you there. And now here are the inspirations that came from your comments. Let's take a look. And before I show you the finished characters we found together, Here is the shape I will be using as an inspiration for the next video. Make sure to comment with the hidden characters you find. If I get your comment in time before the next video is ready, I might even be able to include it. And don't worry if you missed a chance this time, there will be plenty more opportunities. I've dedicated an entire thread on Discord just for your inspired characters, so check it out if you want to get involved and share your creations. And here they are, the characters you and I saw in this one simple shape. Thank you so much for watching and for the exchange of inspiration. See you in the next one. Bye!